Leroy Brown scored an impressive victory. But now, hey, come here, big boy. Come here. Come here, big boy. Bring the camera over here.
All right.
I want to talk to you. Come on over here.
Well, Ric Flair wants to talk to Bad Leroy.
You will notice. Read this one time, Gordon. Right there. What'd that say? Custom tailored for Ric Flair. Something like which you have never seen in your entire life, brother. Daddy. Take off the gold watch. I'm going to get ready this time, Daddy. We are wrestling again, in case you haven't figured it out. I said we are wrestling again, brother. The Nature Boy and Bad Leroy. You don't want to be a small sport in front of your people, do you now? You know my kind of man you are, huh?
Well, all right. They're going to arm wrestle once again.
Last week I told them all, I was a little worn out. This time, big boy, you're going to be mine.
Whoa, wait a minute. All right, are they going to arm wrestle? All right, gentlemen. Ready, set, go. All right, and what a test of strength between these two men right now. Bad Leroy Brown and Ric Flair, the NWA World Heavyweight Champion. Both men training mightily with everything they have, and Bad Leroy Brown taking a slight edge at the moment now. Bad Leroy Brown having it, and Flair giving every bit of effort he has. And what a superhuman effort now as he's starting to take Bad Leroy Brown on over. But Brown fighting back in Flair. And it's Bad Leroy Brown almost has the champion down. He's got him. He's got him for a second time. Ric Flair defeated for a second time by Bad Leroy Brown. He's got him.
Wait after me. I'll be back, brother. You have not seen the last of me.
Well, I'll tell you what. We have a match that is in progress. Okay, we're going to see the National Tag Team Champions, Big John Studd and the Super Destroyer, in action here momentarily. And might just say that Studd and Slaughter, of course, Studd and the Super Destroyer, rather. One Studd 6'9", and Super Destroyer is 6'4". So quite a tag team combination indeed. Now, we're going to that match now.